Hello there, my name's Eugene, okay? I want to show you the professional way to clean your DSLR. I found a guy on the YouTube told me how to do this. He says the important thing is that you got to be on the delicate dial, okay? And small load and warm water. You don't want to get too hot because that'll ruin your sensor. Okay, so right now I'm on spin cycle, okay? Got my DSLR Nikon right here. Okay, let it spin for 20 minutes. Just make sure it don't get to the spin cycle. No, wait a minute. Since I'm on delicate cycle, I forgot I could stick some of my underwear in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. Just make sure you stop before it hits the spin cycle, okay? You know, because that can damage your sensor, okay? Alright, that's a good one. Just another tip and tip from YouTube right here. Yeah, this is a professional way to clean your camera sensor, okay? Make sure you don't add no bleach in. No bleach at all, okay? Okay, thank you so much, okay?